By far the most popular bird deterrent is the bird-flite-spike family. It is effective against large birds like pigeons and gulls and is good for all pressure levels. Bird flight is effective on parapet caps, windowsills, architectural ledges, signs, steel beams, chimneys, pipes, small equipment, street lights, and even on boats. And like most of the bird barrier family, it literally disappears from the distance. Bird flight comes in 1 foot lengths and is available in 3 widths. Bird flight narrow is 2.5 inches wide. Bird flight wide is 4.5 inches wide. And bird flight extra wide is 8 inches wide. Bird flight is packaged in an ingenious space-saving case. Each case contains rolled up cylinders of spike. Each cylinder contains 25 feet of spike. This case contains 4 cylinders for a total of 100 feet. Bird flight narrow and wide come in 100-foot cases, while the bird flight extra wide comes in a 50-foot case.